Do this before starting your gaming channel this year. There are certain mistakes that you might be making unknowingly, leading to your gaming channels getting stuck and showing low views on their videos. This segment covers how to revive or grow gaming channels, the types of games to engage with, how to record and edit your gameplay, and how to ensure your videos reach the right audience. When creating a new gaming channel, avoid these mistakes to prevent any negative effects on your channel and whether to upload gaming videos on an old channel. Should we start a new channel? Watch the video to the end and I will explain everything. First, let's learn about the different types of gamers, and you can comment to share which type you are. What type are you? First, pro gamers. These gamers are professionals in specific games, meaning they are experts, particularly in games like PUBG and Free Fire, which belong to this category. Pro gamers, 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 pro gamers.